Hey, welcome guys, welcome back to today's problem, 7 September's problem. And this problem is actually motivated by one of our students' doubts. So he was quite like for some days was trying to understand what is a mixed distribution. So like we have learned about discrete distributions, we have learned about continuous distributions, but they were really confused. Like he was really confused about mixed distributions. Okay, so this problem is dedicated towards those students who try to understand mixed distributions and what it really means in the sense of probability very well. If you have not solved this problem, please solve this problem first and then come back and see the solution. That's like a standing instruction for every problem, solve a problem of like a day. Okay, coming back to the problem of today, if you understand that here it's given that x is a random variable which takes like half with discrete uniform on 1 to 8 and then half with like continuous uniform on 0 to 10. Okay, so how to write this type of random variable? Like how do you express this type of random variable? So if we express this type of random variable like this, let's say y is discrete uniform, y is discrete uniform on 1, 2, 3, dot, 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 8, and z is uniform, normal uniform 0 comma 1, like 0 comma 10. Okay, this is like the normal continuous uniform version. So it's told that x is equal to, x is discrete uniform with probability half, x is equal to y with probability half, and z with probability half. This is the idea. And we need to find out probability x is greater than 6. Okay, and if you understand that this, like this, we will find the probability x is greater than 6, and understand this very very carefully, that it's dependent upon y and z. So the first thing that should come to your mind is that x is like dependent upon y and z. We know the behavior of y and z, so we need to condition whether x is equal to y or x is equal to z, and therefore this leads to the idea that you need to condition on this and to find this. So let's try to find this, that probability x is equal to probability x greater than y, x greater than 6, given x is equal to y, into probability x is equal to y, plus probability x greater than 6 given x is equal to z, into probability x is equal to z. This is law of total probability we're using to the fullest, and let's see what this turns out. So we know that this is equal to half. We know this is equal to half from the given condition of the definition, and so therefore let's find it out. So this, for this probability turns out to be probability x is greater than 6 given x is equal to y. That means probability y is greater than 6 into half, plus half into probability z is greater than 6, because x is greater than 6 given x is equal to z, that is z is greater than 6. And now we can use the ideas of we can use the distribution ideas of this y and z, the information of y and z, to get to know about like what will be this exact probability, and this is very important to understand. So let's calculate this. So it's half into probability y is greater than x, so that means it's discrete uniform, that is probability y is equal to 7, y belongs to 7 and 8, and here probability z belongs to 6 comma 10. So anyways, this will turn out to, we can see it can take only two values out of 8. It will be 2 out of 8, 7 and 8, and here it can take 6 to 10, so it's 4 by 10 probability. And if you can find out, if you calculate this, it will turn out to be something like, I guess it will turn out to be something like 13 by 40, I guess. Okay, this is a basic idea. So this is a very simple problem, and you can do this problem really easily. If you have not seen this problem, this is a problem, you can pause the video and check the, like, do it yourself. So this is a very simple problem based on law of total probability. But what does this give? I mean, like, what insight does this give into this random variables and cumulative distribution function? So we have understood something, we have learned together, that we have learned discrete CDF where there are jumps, and we have learned continuous CDF where the CDF is itself continuous, like continuous CDF where the CDF itself continuous, and it's called continuous random variable only, and it's a discrete random variable. Okay, and what we have got till now is the following, that this is like, we know it has jumps over. If you take any discrete distribution, we get jumps over here. Okay, and here you get continuous CDF, and you get that the CDF must be continuous with certain conditions. So can there exist something in between? That's the question, and that is mixed distribution. For example, a mixed distribution can look like this, that this, and then here it can go to 1 and then it becomes constant. So it's mixed distribution. So there's a theorem that any CDF can be written as some probability, any CDF f can be written as some probability into some discrete distribution, some f of d plus 1 minus probability into some continuous distribution f of c. Okay, that is f of x can be written as like this, which is really interesting, that if we know discrete distributions well, this is called the decomposition theorem of CDF. So if you know discrete distribution well, then it can be written as convex combination of discrete, like any CDF can be written as convex combination of discrete and continuous CDF. So mixed distribution is where the p is less than 1 and greater than 0, that some part of it's discrete, some part of it's continuous, and this is what a general distribution is. So this is what about all about discrete like mixed distributions. I hope you enjoyed it. If you enjoyed it, do like, subscribe, and share to your friends, and yep, that will like motivate us to give better problem solving and better help to you for your preparation and understanding and building your foundations, guys. Thank you, guys, and I hope you enjoyed the problem. If you have done it any other way, do comment down below. And if you're also looking for some preparation crash courses for enhancing your IIT JAM MS preparation next year 2022, then you can check out the courses we are offering in the link below in the description. All the best, guys, and stay tuned and stay blessed. Bye bye.